Hello friends, hope you all are safe today, doing good. So today as promised in my last video that on managing change and uncertainty, I would come up with few more videos. So today I had received few questions today and last night from people who are interested in this program. So let me answer those questions for you so that might help you also to understand what we are going to do in this program. So the first question was due to work, colleague, friend of mine by the name Smita, she said that she is under a lot of pressure because of work from home, and not only the home, the place where they stay has become the office, but also she has to take care of a lot of house chores because though she is working, she is at home, so she has to take care of so many other things, which is making her life miserable. So now what is the solution to this? So yes, there is a change. Earlier we used to go to office and we used to do only office work. Today we are at home and we are doing so many things together and are not getting time for ourselves. How the time goes by we do not realize, and at the end we are too tired, too stressed. We don't even feel like eating food, talking to anyone, and that is creating a problem in not only within ourselves but also in the family and with others, and that is happening with both husband, wife, kids are studying. It's happening, it's impacting all of us in the family setup. So what do we do? So I think we are still cursing this change and we are waiting for this to go, but that is not the solution. We need to accept that that has happened, that this is happening right now. The first thing is the awareness that this has happened, what is happening around right now. Let us understand what is happening to us, to our family members, to our family, entire house environment, atmosphere. And then let us accept that yes, this has happened. And the third one is then we take action. Now the actions which we are going to take, we would cover that in our course, right? Now the second question was another person by the name Rahul. He asked me, okay, I want to do this course, but how long will it take for me to see the change, see a different Rahul? And by following your advice, how long will I take to see that change? So my answer is, the first thing is, I'm not going to give you any advice. It's going to be a discussion. It's going to be understanding each other's problems. So if there are 10 people, everyone would have different set of problems, and even the solution would be different based on their capabilities, based on their situations, etc., etc. So first, I'm not going to give you advice. Advice is there on Google. You can go search and you find out how to manage change. Here we are going to talk, discuss, brainstorm, understand, and then find out solutions ourselves while we are in this session. And how long will it take? As we all know that change is not easy. It's very difficult. And for difficult things, we have to make a lot of efforts, lot of conscious efforts. What all should I do? What kind of a change in my thought process should I bring? The way I look at things, the way I look at people, all I have to change consciously. And that is again upon us, upon an individual. How much is a person very consciously taking things in a positive note? So we will discuss all that in our session. We are starting it from 13, as you all are know. So be prepared with a lot of questions. Only this is going to help us. So I'm happy and I'm waiting for others also to come up with their doubts and questions if they have any. So see you during this session, okay? But I do wait for your questions. If I get time, I will also try to answer and put it on the media, or else we will discuss during our session. Thank you. See you there.